Welcome to the world of miniature delights. Today, we're making the world's smallest pancake. Get ready for some huge cuteness in tiny form. It's all about the mini food craze. We're using the smallest pan for the tiniest pancake, and the result is just adorable. Let's get started with preparing our miniature pancake. First, you'll need all your ingredients for these tiny treats. It's just like regular pancakes, but on a smaller scale. Now, let's mix the batter. Make sure it's smooth and ready for our mini creation. With our batter ready, it's time to fire up the stove and cook our mini masterpiece. Heat your tiny pan to the perfect temperature for that golden brown finish. Carefully pour a tiny amount of batter into the pan. You'll be amazed at how quickly it cooks. Flip it. Watch as your miniature pancake achieves that perfect golden hue. The cooking is done. And now for the best part, serving. Gently place your tiny pancake onto a plate, ready for its grand reveal. Don't forget the miniature toppings. A drizzle of syrup or a tiny berry makes it complete. And there you have it, the world's smallest pancake, ready to be enjoyed. Who knew something so small could bring so much joy? Enjoy every tiny bite. If you loved this mini food adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tiny culinary creations.